Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to Happy at Home. I am so glad you stopped by today because I have a fun DIY project to share with you. I don't know about you, but I am a big fan of wearing bracelets. They're like my go-to jewelry item of choice whenever I want to feel a little bit more fancy or a little bit more pulled together than normal. They are just so much fun and I love them. And I have oodles and oodles of bracelets, most of which I've made myself so that I can easily customize them to fit me correctly and they're not going to be too tight, they're not going to be too loose, and they're going to be tough enough to withstand my hectic mom life. Because let's face it, mom life can be pretty tough on your jewelry. Because you're jumping from task to task all day long. You're doing laundry, then doing dishes, then cleaning up some weird mess in the corner that just mysteriously appeared, and then you're maybe gardening and then painting something, and the list just goes on and on. So you're constantly jumping around. So my bracelets need to be tough and they need to look pretty. Otherwise, what's the point of wearing them, right? So today I'm going to share with you how quick and easy it is to make your own bracelets. Like these right here. I just finished making these 3 bracelets to go with this gorgeous new watch that the company Jord sent to me. It is a wood watch. It has a teal face on it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I am just obsessed with this watch. And I knew as soon as I opened the package that I wanted to wear it layered with some beaded bracelets because that's how I like to wear watches. So I'll talk about the watch a little bit later, but first let's talk about these beautiful bracelets that are super easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to need to pick out some beads that you'd like to use. I picked up both of these strands at Hobby Lobby, and of course I used a coupon. You'll also need some scissors and some stretchy cord. The stretchy cord comes in different thicknesses, and my favorite is the 1mm. You'll also want a plate or something to keep the beads from rolling around. The next thing to do is to cut your stretchy cord to length. And to do this, I wrap it around my wrist and then add about another 3 or so inches to the end and then cut it off with a pair of scissors. Next, prepare your beads by laying them all out for easy access. At this point, it's nice to have a piece of masking tape or a piece of painter's tape like I'm using today to attach the cording to the plate so as you add the beads, they don't fall off the end. Then simply start stringing the beads onto the cording in your desired pattern. Once you think the bracelet is the length you need, double check by wrapping it around your wrist to check for fit. Add or remove beads as needed. Once you know the fit is good, remove the tape and tie the 2 ends together in a simple knot. I then like to repeat the process by adding 2 or 3 more knots just to make sure that the bracelet holds together nicely. Then go ahead and try on the bracelet to make sure that the fit feels comfortable for you. If everything's good, take your scissors and trim the excess cording off, cutting as close to the knots as possible. And there you go, a quick and easy beaded bracelet. For the second bracelet, I continued the same process using the white beads. And finally, I mixed together some metal beads with the remaining length of teal beads I already had to complete the 3rd bracelet. Once all the bracelets were done, I took some super glue gel and added just a little bit to the knot on each of the bracelets. I then carefully set them aside and allowed the glue to dry completely before wearing them. So here's a look at the finished bracelets all together. I love how they turned out. I think they're so pretty. I'm going to get lots of use out of these this summer. And of course, it looks amazing with the watch. So there you go. Super simple to make your own bracelets. and I find it very relaxing and I enjoy the process quite a bit. So I hope that you will try making your own also, and you will see that it's so much fun, and maybe you will become just as obsessed with bracelets as I am. So let's switch gears and talk about this gorgeous watch. It's absolutely stunning. It feels so good on. At first I was worried that it was going to be a little like chunky and like really hard to wear, but it's so lightweight, and the clasp on the back is super easy to use. Oh, I just love it. I've never seen this kind of clasp. It's like a magnetic clasp. It's so comfortable, so easy to put on, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to give you some close-up glamour shots of the watch itself so you can just see how gorgeous it actually is. Stunning, right? Oh, they're just so gorgeous. Along with women's watches, they also make men's watches and bands for Apple watches in many different styles, colors to choose from, and different wood tones to choose from, and everything is absolutely gorgeous, and they are so comfortable to wear. I'm just obsessed, obsessed. And now for the fun part, they have graciously set up a giveaway for my viewers. You can enter to win a $100 gift code towards the purchase of one of their stunning watches. To enter the giveaway, you'll want to click on the link down below, and you have until May 27th to be entered into the giveaway. And Jord will select the winner and contact you for all the information. They have also given me a coupon code for $25 off and a free sizing to any of you who are interested in taking advantage of that right away. The discount code is Happy at Home. I'll make sure to link that also down below for you to use at your convenience. Alright, so that is it for me today. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I appreciate it. I hope that you will enter the giveaway and go out and get yourself some beading supplies and have some fun with it. Once again, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now!